If you lost your Social Security card and need a new one, here's how you can request a replacement online in just a few minutes. Open any browser and search Replace SSN card online. From the results, click the link that ends in .gov. That's the official Social Security website. Once the page loads, you'll see a blue button that helps you check if you're eligible to apply online. Click it. First, it'll ask who the request is for, an adult or a child. Then, it'll ask if you're a US citizen. Next, you'll confirm if you have a US mailing address. PO boxes and military addresses also count. Then, they'll ask if you have an unexpired driver's license or a state-issued ID. After that, select the state that issued your ID. Now choose what changes you want to make to your Social Security record. If you're not changing anything, just pick No Changes Needed. They might ask you additional questions depending upon the options you've chosen. After you finish answering, you'll see if you're allowed to apply online. If you are, you'll get a list of documents you'll need and a list of documents you can't use. If you're not eligible, the site will guide you on how to apply through a local office. That's it. Just follow the instructions based on your answers, and your replacement card will be on the way.